From a small 5-year-old ambitious boy to a 19-year-old star badminton player from India is journey of the small town boy from Dhar, a city in Madhya Pradesh. Yes, indeed, he is none other than Priyanshu Rajawat, 19th ranked in India and 292nd ranked in the world men's category at this very young age. When Priyanshu Rajawat was interviewed by Spotify Badminton and was asked about his greatest motivation of all times, his reply to it was,
Gopi sir and my parents are my biggest motivation for whatever little I've achieved so far.
with a number of final plays and wins in various All India tournaments, he is also representing India internationally since 2016. Amongst his very astonishing plays, one of them is very special for him and the country, for which he very modestly stated,
I cannot say I'm proud of it because I feel there is a lot more to do and a lot more to achieve, but I'm happy to have won Bahrain International.
in 2019, he won international title of Bahrain International Series 2019, defeating a Canadian player in a tough match of 3 sets. This wasn't his first time playing internationally, but his first title in international stage. Before that, he constantly either played finals or won the title of All India tournaments. Talking of his nature, when he was asked about the changes in his life becoming a rising star, to which he said,
Although nothing much has changed personally, professionally I've tried to include more practice on a daily basis, an inner determination to work harder and make my country proud on an international circuit.
at last, he was asked about his future plans and what is his ultimate goal, to which he replied,
I really want to work harder and bring gold medals in Olympics for my country. I also wish to bring back many titles and series wins as much as possible.
being an enthusiastic player and never giving up qualities are the keys of achieving what you dream of. Making country proud is one of its own kind feeling. This feeling is also what motivates everyone to do something meaningful with the one life they have been granted with. Wishing all the best to Priyanshu Rajawat for his bright and rising future in behalf of the Spotify badminton team. Thank you so much for listening. Do not forget to check out the article written on Priyanshu Rajawat. Link is in the description below. If you enjoyed listening it, then do leave a comment, and if you did not, we appreciate your tips on improving too. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Special thanks to Adamya Patel for the voiceover.